Yes. What's going on, guys? Day trading addict here, and I have another great video for you guys. I'm going to show you my biggest trade ever trading the Nasdaq 100. Okay, this trade actually was last year, and I'm going to show you everything. I'm going to show you why I took the trade. I'm going to show you the live recording. I'm going to show you everything. Okay, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, because over here, what I do, I help struggling traders get to the next level. Okay, I've been trading the Nasdaq 100, the US 30, the S&P 500 for 12 years, and overall I've been trading for 13 years. So I know a lot about these markets. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, guys. All right, now before we get started, okay, I'm gonna show you guys the clip. Now, before I show you the clip, I want to give you guys an idea how much I usually risk per trade. Okay, so I usually risk on my big account. When I'm trading my big account, I'm usually risking $300 per trade. Okay, I'm a conservative trader. I don't like to throw around a lot of money while I'm trading. Okay, so $300 per trade is good enough, because I can average around 900 to 1500 in a day. Okay, so that's good for me. Some days I'm making 300, some days I can make 1500. So I'm cool with that, right? And when you're trading full time, okay, and paying your bills full time from trading, it gets kind of crazy, okay, when you're risking a lot. Okay, mentally, a lot of people can't handle that. So maybe later down the road, I could probably risk more. But me right now, I'm very, very conservative. I don't like to risk a lot per trade. So this trade that you're going to see right here, I actually decided to risk more, and I'm going to explain why. So let's get to the video right now. Okay, so this is where I actually started to record the video. This is the Nasdaq 100. This is actually a futures platform. Okay, I don't trade on a Forex platform. I actually trade on a futures platform. If you look to the left right here, I'm pretty much up around $5,600 something dollars. Okay, now what I'm looking for, guys, is another leg down, because the market broke this nice trend line. So I'm looking for the market to at least give me another leg down, because I believe that the market was going to pretty much trap whoever's going to go long right here. Okay, so let me pause this and fast forward the video. Okay, so now if you look at it, I'm actually up 7,000 on this trade right here, and the market is going down. So I'm looking for a little bit more. I'm looking for the market to go down a little bit more. So let me fast forward to that. Okay, so now you look at the market. I'm about to close all my positions right now. I'm closing my positions right now. I'm trying to get out, and I have one more left. I didn't realize I had one more left, so I was like, okay, let me try to get out. And I'm trying to look for my dom right now. I'm looking. And then I finally got out that last position. Okay, now I want to show you guys the P&L. Look to the left right here, guys. Okay, I'm up $9,790. Okay, almost 10K in one day. And that was a crazy trade for me. Like, it was like mind blowing, because usually I don't risk that much, but it was a very clear trade for me, and I saw a lot of potential. Okay, so what I'm gonna do right now is I'm going to go to the drawing board and explain the trade real quick. Okay, so let's look at the trade right here. Right, this is a screenshot right here. Now, the market overall, is trending up. Okay, so I'm quite sure some of you guys are wondering why I took this trade. So the market opened around this time. So you see right here, the market opened. So let me show you around here, the market opened. Okay, so overall, we had no action going on, for the whole day. So the market opened here, but we were just going back and forth the whole day. If you look at this, right? Actually, let me make this, change this color right here and show you guys. So we wasn't going nowhere, guys. Look at this, right? For the whole day. So overall, even though the market was going up, this action when the market opened, okay, remember the market opened around here. Since the market opened, we've been ranging, okay? So this is a range right here. So I'm like, okay, I'm looking to see if the market is going to create new highs. Notice how it didn't create a new high, okay? We went at the top of the range. We sold off, okay? So first of all, you see right here, we have a nice supply, okay, zone right here, right? That's number one, okay? We came into the supply right here. We sold off. We came back into it. Now we broke it a little bit. I don't care if we break the supply zone a little bit. That's not enough, for me. To me, even if we broke it a little bit, that supply zone is still intact. So notice how we started to sell off again, okay? And we created it created a nice small supply right here, supply zone right here, okay? The market came back into it, sold off a little bit. When it came back again, it showed weakness. That's when I got in, okay? And I actually went heavy on this because if you look at the whole market, okay, we have a trend line right here, okay? But let me erase this and show you guys what I was looking at, okay? So basically, overall, we had, okay, overall, what I'm looking at, guys, is a nice wedge, okay? And we breaking this wedge right here. So I was like, wow, okay, this is a nice pattern for this market to break out, and not only break out, break this trend line, okay? So I took this trade and I went heavy on this because this had a high chance of breaking this trend line and going crazy, and that's what it did, okay? So that's the reason why I took that trade. We had a nice supply zone, the market was ranging, and also I saw this nice wedge, and we was breaking out of this, and also I was saying, okay, if we break this trend line, it's a strong possibility we might have a lot of sellers come in, okay? So let me show you guys what else I was thinking. Okay, so this is the chart, okay? And basically, when I was in this move, I was saying to myself, because, I day trade. So I was saying to myself, you know what? This can actually be a nice swing trade, okay? I believe I caught a temporary top, and I was going to hold it. Trust me, guys, I wasn't going to sell this. But I was like, you know what? Let me stop playing games. Let me sell this, let me sell this trade. But be honest with you, when I was in this and I saw the market going down like this, I was like, okay, this is really looking really, really good, okay? So I was going to hold it. And honestly, if I held this trade, guys, okay, this would have been at least a 20 to 30K trade. Actually, more than 20, okay? Because I was up around 9K around here. So we go down right here. We probably been up around 25, and I was going to hold for a day or two, okay? So if you look at this bad boy, right, the next day we went up, okay, and this is the high of this day. So let's go back. So this is next day. Let's go back, okay, where I took the trade. So you see this line right here? Remember, I took the trade around here, so it never came back to my stop loss, okay? Because I will actually put it back to break even, my stop loss to break even, and guess what? It never came back down, and we went down even more. Okay, look at this, crazy. So me personally, I would got out around here, somewhere around here. Okay, because that day right here, okay, we went down more, and this was the low. So let's go to that low right here. So that's the low right here. Let me just go to horizontal, show you guys real quick. This is that low. So I would gain some more on that trade. Let's see right here. Notice how we blasted this low right here. So as soon as we blasted this low right here with this sharp move right here, I'll probably get out somewhere maybe around here. But overall, if I held that trade, man, I'll be looking at 30K easily. You know what I'm saying? But me personally, I trade, I day trade. So I'll say, you know what? Stop playing games. Let me take my profit and basically enjoy my profits. But overall, guys, that was the trade. Let me go back to that trade. Okay, here we go. So overall, guys, that was a trade. And I know some of you guys are going to ask me, hey, how big was your account? The account size really doesn't matter, honestly. My account was around 60,000, okay? I usually try to keep my account around 50K to 60,000 because I don't need a lot of money trading with leverage, okay? You have to understand leverage is the reason why I was able to do this, okay? Leverage, it wasn't because, my account size is a decent size. It's because I was using leverage, okay? Guys, if I was trading a 5K account, I could have still made the same amount because of leverage, right? Leverage is actually why a lot of wealthy people make a lot of money. And to let you guys know that, leverage is only good when you know what you are doing, right? And with this, since I have 13 years of experience, I don't mind sizing up sometimes on my trades. Okay. Um, and anybody that's watching this, I don't want you to say, "Oh man, I want to size up." No, you have to prove to yourself, okay, you know how to do this. Okay, so you have to build skills. Okay, number one, I don't want you guys to, just to look at this and say, "Oh man, 5K, that's all I need." No, no, trust me, guys. Please remember, I have, a lot of experience with this, but I'm just letting you guys know that yes, even though I had a 60K account, okay, it doesn't mean that you couldn't do this if you had a small account. That's the only point I was trying to make. Okay, now that's pretty much it, guys. If you guys are wondering why I don't have a 9 to 5, okay, this is it. Okay, one day basically made my whole month. Actually, made a couple of months, not just 1 month. Okay, so this was like around a 9 to 1 trade because I was risking around like $1,000 on that trade. I made it close to around 10,000 on that trade, so it was like around a 9 to 1 trade. I don't get those all the time. Okay, sometimes they come. Sometimes I get a 2 to 1. Sometimes I get a 3 to 1. Yesterday I actually had a nice 4 to 1. But these 9 to 1s, these 10 to 1s, they don't happen every single day. Okay, but when you do get these, okay, these will help you build your account. Okay, and for you guys that's always trying to look for the home runs, guys, listen. The market's not designed for you to get a home run all the time. So stop looking for home runs every single trade. Okay, some trades are going to give you home runs. Some trades are not going to give you home runs. Okay, now, thanks a lot, guys, for watching this video. I hope you guys got some value out of this video. If so, make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. And please comment below. It helps out the video. Okay, listen, if you comment below and you ask me any question, guess what? I will answer your question 100% guaranteed. If you don't believe me, go ahead and test it out. Again, thanks a lot, guys, for watching my video. And please have a great day.